Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you some updates about things we have talked about in previous videos. Now, at the time of me filming this, it is Thursday, August 22nd. It's 8:30 in the morning, and the first update is going to be in regards to Dolly Beauty. I did a video showing or talking about the fact that Dolly Parton was launching a makeup line, and it's supposed to be released today on her website, dollybeauty.com. And I've checked this morning and there's nothing yet. And then I came across some information somewhere that said it was launching at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I know that a lot of people that watch my videos are in other time zones other than my own. So you'll need to adjust that according to where you live. I've got a lot of people on the West Coast that watch my videos, and then I've got a lot of people in Central Time. But anyways, just, adjust it accordingly. So it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because Dolly's in Tennessee. I guess that's why. So I wanted to let you know about that. And then the second thing I wanted to let you know about is if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen the pictures that I posted. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put a link in the description box so you can just click on that and go look. And if you don't have an Instagram and you don't want one, you should still be able to look at the pictures regardless just by clicking that link. But I have to go to CVS once a month to pick up my prescription, my medication prescription. And I went in there to get my prescription the other day, and they had put out a bunch of Halloween makeup displays. So I took some pictures and came home and posted them on my Instagram. And I thought you might like to see those. So you can click on that link if you want to see those. I took pictures of the Wet n Wild launch for this year, the Fantasy Makers, and also there was one by LA Girl and there was one by the Creme Shop. So you can look at those if you want to just by clicking on that link. And then the next thing that I wanted to give you an update on is I did a video recently about laundry detergent. And I took all your suggestions into consideration, but ultimately, I did not end up buying anything that you guys recommended. I found this study that was done that had information about laundry detergents for people with sensitive skin. I read the whole article, and after carefully considering every single thing that they recommended, this is what I ended up buying. I ended up getting the up&up free and clear laundry detergent. This is Target's house brand. And the reason why I decided to try this one, and I used it for the first time today, it's going to be a while before I know what the results are. Obviously, it's going to take time to figure that out. But the reason why I decided on this one is because I have a Target right down the street, so convenience-wise, price-wise, because house brands of things are always less expensive. And in the article, they said that it did a good job cleaning your laundry. So those three things were important to me. So that's what I'm trying. So yeah, it's the up&up free and clear laundry detergent. It's dye-free and fragrance-free, powers through stains to whiten and brighten. So yeah, they had it right there at Target. I have to go in there every once in a while for certain things that I buy that I can only get at Target. And what's ironic is the Tide Ultra Stain Release that I used to love so much that was discontinued by Procter & Gamble. That's where I had to get that. So I'm still going to Target now to get my laundry detergent. So there's that. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about is you may have noticed that I've gone back to painting my nails after kind of not doing it for a long time. And the polish that I used yesterday was by Wet n Wild from the Scooby Doo collection that was out last year. This is called that's the spirit. And I had used the other two polishes to do that layering thing that I did the other day that I talked about. And while this collection is no longer available, it was limited edition quite a while ago now. It reminded me how good the Wet n Wild fast dry polishes are. Now these are very hard to find now, but you can get that formula, not these exact polishes, but you can get the formula at some CVS stores. Unfortunately, not the CVS's that are close to where I am, but I'm really thinking about going to a CVS where I can get some more of these, but in from like the permanent line, because let me tell you how good this formula is. I have no base coat or top coat on. All I have on is 2 coats of this polish. And this morning I was doing a cleaning project. And have you ever been cleaning something and you're cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and whatever you're cleaning just has some stubborn spots that won't come off? Well, I was doing that and I was getting frustrated because I was in a hurry. I wanted to finish what I was doing. So I did something that you should never ever do when you have your nails painted. And I took the edge of one of my nails through the paper towel and like scraped it through the paper towel, and the spots came off. But then I was like, as soon as I did it, I was like, oh my God, you probably just destroyed your manicure. I looked down and my manicure was fine. So this is some tough polish, you guys. I couldn't believe that it didn't ruin my manicure with no base coat, no top coat. So this is a very, very good formula. So yeah, I may go the extra miles to go to the closest CVS to me to get some more colors of that, because very good. Either that, or maybe I should go on Amazon and see if I can get it on Amazon or on the Wet n Wild website. That might be more convenient than, having to drive far to get it. But yeah, this is a really good formula. So I had bought this when it launched with the Scooby Doo collection last year. Yeah, there was this red that I have on, there was a purple, and there was a green. The green is a shimmer, the purple is a matte, and the red is a matte, which I don't know why I'm telling you that because you can't get this anymore. But yeah, very, very good formula. It's the Wet n Wild Fast Dry AF nail polish. So they have a bunch of colors of this. I think it's like 18 colors that comes in. So very, very good polish. Just wanted to mention that too. So those are the updates of things that we've talked about, and hopefully in another, 2.5 hours now? 9, 10, 11, yeah. In another 2.5 hours, hopefully I will be getting one of the Dolly Parton lipsticks, and still really on the fence about which shade I want to get or try. And I don't even know what the shipping is yet, because when you go on there, right as of me filming this video, the website just says coming soon. It hasn't changed yet, which is kind of strange considering it's launching today. You'd think they would at least have some information that you could look at ahead of time, but I guess not. I don't know. So just wanted to let you guys know about all this stuff. And because, how many times have you watched a video from somebody and then you never get any further information about whatever the video was about? So I wanted to make sure that I gave you updates, and I also wanted to make sure that you got a chance to see those new Halloween makeup collections that are at CVS now. I can't wait till the back to school stuff is gone from the schools, because that is the only thing, not the schools, the stores is what I meant to say. I can't wait till the back to school stuff is gone from the stores, because that is the only thing preventing the Halloween stuff from coming in. I went to Walmart and Target to pick up some things yesterday, and the areas where the Halloween stuff normally is was still the back to school stuff. So, okay, all you parents, go out there and Buy all the back to school stuff so we can get it out of the stores. I love Halloween. I can't wait uh, for it all to come to the stores. I love looking at that stuff. I have a lot of Halloween decorations. They're in multiple boxes at my mom's house because I don't have a basement, so I have no place to store my Halloween stuff. So I'm going to have to get my butt over to my mother's house and go get all those boxes soon so I can decorate. I love Halloween. Um, yeah, I guess it's still too soon, huh? It's only August. I should at least wait till September before I start decorating. But anyways, thanks for watching and subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up for updates to let you know about stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye.